Tips and tricks to end your snoring. Do you or someone you know snore when asleep? Does it affect your rest or someone else's rest? If so, it's time to do something about it. In the following video, you can learn about what causes snoring and what can be done about it to quiet or eradicate it. In the 4 or 5 hours before you go to bed for the night, you should avoid consuming alcoholic beverages. Alcohol has a depressant effect on your body, which causes your muscles to become more relaxed. This relaxation affects your airways, which makes it difficult to breathe. Ultimately, this leads to snoring. If you suffer from snoring, it is important that you not sleep on your back. This position narrows the airways in your throat, thus, reducing airflow. This lack of air can be a cause of snoring. It is recommended that you sleep on either your right or left side instead. Consult your pharmacist to see if there are any recommended over-the-counter, OTC, snoring remedies you might try. Prescription remedies are also available, but if over-the-counter versions work, you will have less of an expense. These medicines fight swelling, and other things that narrow air passages. There are mouth exercises you can try to reduce snoring. One of them consists of sliding your tongue along the back of the top front teeth. For the next 3 minutes, slide your tongue backwards, and then toward the teeth. Building muscle this way will strengthen your airways, keeping them open and cutting down on snoring. Do you know what causes you or somebody else to snore? Do you know what to do to keep it from affecting everybody's rest? Are you ready to quiet the noises and finally sleep well? By following the above video's information, you can start sleeping well again without worrying about irritating noises. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.